YouTube, listen up, man. In this video, what you're about to witness, it's a bunch of violation going on. Violated. Violated. It's ridiculous, okay? It's ridiculous. Stay tuned. Let's go.
Did I cut you? Oh my god! Ew, I got cream! It looks good. What's good, y'all? For the past few days, I've been studying the art of lineups. This is something I've been dreaming about doing, and today I have my very first client.
She dreamed about
Frederickson Aubrey Cornelius, aka Cleve.
She dreamed about it. How to cut hair. Oh, you're not even watching the right person. You're not even watching the right person, ma'am.
Haircut just a little bit interesting. Oh, I can get a blade. Cleve,
how you gonna watch
do something with a new hair color? You
straight hair to learn how to cut coarse hair? I don't understand.
Oh Lord, good luck, Cleve. Good luck. Gang, we got some special guests that are out here. You know what I'm saying? That are gonna witness the greatness that is about to be Cleve's hairline.
Not only can she play video games, not only does she drive a 5.0,
not only
can she steal your man in less than 5 seconds.
Period.
She is the future hairstylist.
Barber Lee.
Yo, poor Cleve.
I know, poor Cleve. The man of the hour.
I'm scared. This guy.
Look at that. Oh, the waves on.
Oh, he got waves?
You need a haircut.
Right here. Get real close to that. Get that right.
Hey man, in Cleve's video, he posed me as somebody who can't cut hair, and apparently my new name is D's Cuts.
Are you D's Cuts?
You didn't tell me you was gonna call me that. I wasn't ready. All right, y'all, I got a good setup with a view. I wanna practice. Let's learn how to turn it on.
Oh no, no.
Hey, I'm just practicing.
Oh.
What?
You got the grass.
Yes, working.
Nah.
You got a sheet there?
No, I don't have that.
She got that
the most
Andis
important
from
thing was,
Walmart.
cover up around, so the hair don't get on the shirt. I'm just bringing this joint. Oh my god! Ew, the trash got on me!
I mean, what do you expect?
It's in my toe!
I mean, what do you expect?
So nasty! Alright, y'all, it's time to start the cut. First of all, I gotta get the chakras in.
Alright, bro, right now I'm done. I would have been done. I'd have been done.
Okay.
I'd have been done, bro.
Right here, I got you a charcoal dust face mask. It'll be able to come off real easily. Just pop it on, pop it off. It's gonna make you feel nice, smooth, and refreshed.
I just want a basic fade,
Right.
I don't need all this stuff.
Right.
You don't get a basic fade here with these cuts. Refreshing?
Yeah, I feel great.
Dude, you're my first ever client. I think I start with cutting.
Oh, Lord. Oh, no.
Man, yes, sir. Oh, his hair getting all over me. Lord. So when you go see Shorty tomorrow night, it look extra good. I'm giving
You ain't even following the step. You're going too high.
Blend it up
Oh, my God.
I think I be seeing people go upside down.
Bro, this shit nasty, man.
Bruh.
So I'm gonna get the edge right now.
Bro,
Look, I'm getting the hairline right.
my barber don't do this, man.
I'm your new barber. I'm your new barber.
These cuts, why are you scraping my scalp?
Hey, that don't look that bad. Look at that.
Get his face.
Why are y'all judging me? I'm not ready. I'm not done yet.
What is that?
Oh, you.
What is that?
I'm not done yet. You need to be done. It's over. It's over. I'm going to the barber so I can get this fixed. I'm not waiting around. She got the wrong color and everything. She got blue as the enhancements. I don't understand.
DJ.
You could have easily got black.
Okay, for real. That shit big. So this is just a fade, right?
Why are you not trusting me?
That is not a fade. That is not a taper. That is not a haircut. She is demolishing this. She is butchering you.
Do I tell you how to do your job? You don't tell me how to do my job.
What is she doing? Is she doing a Drake?
Did I cut you? Oh my god, I'm so
She
sorry.
doing the Drake part?
Oh
Lord!
I thought it was a fade.
Bruh! Don't you know that hair might not grow back? She did.
No.
Bruh, she didn't cut you. Hair might not grow back.
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
Good.
I like Avatar. Not the Airbender, but the
Bro,
other guy.
she is violating his ways.
It's looking great. I think I'm pretty almost done here.
How's it look, bro? Why y'all laughing, man?
I think I did a really, really good job, and I want
Stop
to show
it.
you guys. Y'all see that?
On a 1 to 10.
On a 1 to 10.
Stop.
It's 11, baby.
No, it is not.
For
Oh my
McDonald's right there. You got the blue for Avatar, and look at me and smile.
My God.
Oh wait.
Nah, we good on that. We cool on that.
You sure?
Is that nail polish?
Yeah.
Wait, no, hell no.
Why are y'all doing this? Why are y'all letting these females
Yes,
do this
sir.
to you, man? Nah.
Wow.
bruh.
All right, Fredrickson, getting it all ready.
It's good.
Yeah, you look good.
Come here real quick. Get the camera right here. Watch it.
What's on my chin? No, it's a hair.
I have a little goatee.
I got hair in my mouth and y'all didn't tell me.
No, hold on, let me see. No, stop that.
I'm genuinely mad right now.
Ew, I got green hair in my mouth.
Appreciate the cut.
No.
Appreciate.
Come give me my money. Where my money at? No, you can't leave it on my money. You can't leave it on my money. Come back, you can't leave it on my money.
What?
All right, y'all, my hands blue. I got hair all over my body. If you want me to do this again with one of my other friends, we gonna have
Put
to
the clippers down and do not pick them up ever
We'll
again.
get him next right here.
Hey, we're gonna need 500 for my head.
Right.
This ain't happening.
Right.
But hit for 350 likes, but we out here, man. Peace.
Yeah, just a fade, right? Oh wow, I feel. No, it's nail polish on my scalp. On God. No, real deal. Like this. No.
All right, y'all, I got the edge shaper upper. You want me to try on you?
No. Ah! Bro!
Did it hurt for real?
Ow!
Wait, really?
Yes!
I'm at a loss for words for a little bit, man. I just know how much passion I put into cutting hair. I just know how much time I spend trying to perfect my craft, and I feel like she didn't do the research. I feel like she violated, disrespected my man's cut. I feel like she didn't give an effort for the simple fact that that was her man. She wouldn't have did that to him. I'm at a loss for words. Link will be in the description below to her channel. But why would y'all even want to get the link? She not gonna help you. I mean, I'm out.